Now, I have been very fortunate throughout my career to be blessed to introduce our next performers, and we continue our program with this special performance. Now, whether it be jazz and blues to rock and roll, R&B, gospel, spirituals, hip hop, reggae, and soul, this group colors each and every performance with uplifting messages of hope, unity, love, and peace for all humankind. Now, since 1971, these Grammy Award-winning artists have performed on 5 continents, from everyone from homeless persons to prison inmates to orphans to kings and queens, presidents and ambassadors, and so on and so on and so on. When I was young, growing up in Phoenix, Arizona, and then I knew I was moving here to Minnesota, I was so honored to go. I live in the same state as our performers tonight. Also, celebrating their 50th anniversary. Please welcome our performers, the iconic Sounds of Blackness.
Whoa. Come on. Yes, yes.
Put your hands together. Sounds of Blackness in the house. Hey. Woo.
Come on.
When in the midst of sorrow, you can't see up when looking down. A brighter day tomorrow will bring. Oh.
You hear the voice of reason telling you this can never be done. No matter how hard reality seems, just hold on to your dreams. Don't give up and don't give in. Although it seems you never win, you will always pass the test as long as you keep your head to the sky. You can win as long as you keep your head to the sky. You can win as long as you keep your head to the sky. Be optimistic
When things around you crumble. No, you don't have to stumble and fall. Keep pushing on and don't you look back, no. Ooh, I know the storms and strife cloud up your outlook on life. Just think ahead and you'll be inspired to reach higher and higher.
You will always do your best if you learn to never say never. You may be down, but you're not out.
'Cause that's what optimistic is all.
So don't give up and don't give in. Although it seems you never win, you will always pass the test as long as you keep your head to the sky. You can win.
You can win.
As long as you keep your head to the sky. You can win.
You can win, yeah.
As long as you keep your head to the sky.
Woo. Yes, yes. Come on, y'all.
Turn up the track, please, about twice that amount.
Yesterday, a man stepped to me. He said, how can you smile when your world is crumbling down? I said, here's my secret. When I want to cry, I take a look around and I see that I'm getting by, and I hold on.
Hold on.
Change is coming.
Change is coming.
Hold on.
Hold on. Don't worry about a thing.
Hold on.
Hold on.
You can make it.
You can make it.
Hold on.
Hold on. Everything will be alright.
Some people like to worry. Some people like to hide. Some people like to run away from the pain inside.
Now that's your business.
do whatever you want to do. But if it don't work out, here's what you gotta do. Just hold on.
Hold on.
Change is coming.
Change is coming.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Don't you worry.
Don't worry about a thing.
Hold on.
Hold on.
You can make it.
You can make it.
Hold on.
Hold on. Everything will be alright.
The trouble of life weigh you down. Just lift your head up.
Yeah, yeah,
When the
yeah.
love you seek outside is hard to find. Don't give up. Just be strong. Keep the faith and hold on.
Hold on.
Your change is coming.
Change is coming.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Don't you worry.
Don't worry about a thing.
Hold on.
Hold on.
You can make it.
You can make it.
Hold on.
Hold on. Everything will be alright.
Okay, now this next part, this is you guys' turn to participate with us. We got anybody out there want to sing with us, Sounds of Blackness tonight? All right. So we're going to raise our hands from side to side. Raise your hands like this. Here we go. Let's practice. 1, 2, follow me. Here we go. La, 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 la.
Change is coming.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Everything.
Don't worry